go to trail, yeah, I'm go. What you want? Yeah, I'm go, yeah, go to that city, yeah, I'm go, we're going to the city, yeah. What you want? Oh, yeah, Hey guys, it's Hudson and Muzzy. We're in the quarantines, and my dad's gonna teach us how to make surf and turf. Surf and turf.
What are you gonna do?
Hummus and curry.
Okay, you wanna help me?
Ginormous. It's a big willy pole.
We cover this up and we wait. When they turn red in about 10 minutes, they'll be ready. What do you think, Cuddy?
Yeah.
Who's that?
It's Cuddy. It's a cat.
Does Cuddy like lobsters?
Mm-hmm.
What else does Cuddy like?
He likes to steal it. He likes to steal the lobster off our plate.
Wow, look at those guys. They look beautiful. Nice and wet.
It smells good.
Got it? Okay, just put it over in the sink. Sit down there. Okay, let's take a look at it. You want the flesh bright white, and then you know they're ready.
That's good.
That does look good. That's exactly what we want.
Okay.
Thumbs up.
We're gonna flip the steaks, guys. We're gonna check on these.
They're nice. I'm gonna put this one kind of. This guy on the side. Look at that.
Why are you putting them on the side?
So they can get crispy.
Put them on the top.
They get crispy on all sides. Right?
Should we flip those on the ends?
Oh yeah, good idea.
Should I try to flip them?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can. Be careful.
Wait.
He's a goner. I'll help you.
He's a goner, guys. He's a goner. He's a goner. Oh, yeah, he's there. Okay. Check back later. Bye.
Okay.
The alligator. Okay, let's get it. Yeah! I saved you, big. Oh. Yeah! Broken beef. Yeah, big beef. Broken beef and giant Joella. Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
We carved up the filet mignon, and we got some lobster, and got some drawn butter. What do you think, Cuddy?
It's good. I like it with the sauce. For my lobster. And now to the steak. Maybe doesn't like it with the sauce. I'm trying with the sauce.
Can't give him the witness. Surf and turf as well.